Welcome, fellow smart home makers. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of smart car automations, leveraging the power of Home Assistant's integration into Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Home Assistant has been supporting Android Auto for quite a while, but just recently added the capability to support Apple CarPlay as well. That's so exciting! Now we have this integration, but what can we do with it? Of course, the first thing that pops into our mind is to open or close the garage door or turning on or off the lights in the driveway. But is that all? In this video, I want to share 5 further automation ideas with you that make use of Home Assistant being integrated into your car. Let's get started. Idea number 1. Keep your beloved ones in the loop. Ever wished you could effortlessly update your beloved ones on your estimated time of arrival home or when you arrived at your final destination of a trip safely? The idea would be to automatically generate a push notification including the estimated time of arrival as well as a voice notification. This is not intended to be a detailed tutorial video. It shall rather give you a general overview of what you can do with the Home Assistant Apple CarPlay integration. But I want to give you a quick overview of how you can get the actions from the Home Assistant Apple CarPlay integration into your automations as a trigger. In the Home Assistant app, go to Settings, Companion App Actions and create a new action. Give it a name. Enter a display text that will be shown in the CarPlay integration and select an icon for it. And then click Save. Then create a new automation and as a trigger select Manual Event. Then as an event name type in iOS.action_fired and under event data you have to type action name, colon, and then the name of the action that you gave it. Now we can define what should actually happen once we push the action in the Home Assistant Apple CarPlay integration. And for this idea, we want to send our beloved ones a push or voice notification, which includes the travel time that is required until we will be arriving home. For this, I would propose to use the Home Assistant integration Google Maps travel time. This integration allows to track a certain person and the distance to travel to a certain zone, for example, your home. So given you have received the travel time required to go home from the Google Maps travel time integration, you can then easily use this in a voice notification or a push notification that you will send to your beloved ones. And of course, you could also easily send a push notification without including the travel time whenever you arrived somewhere that you're traveling to. Idea number 2, coffee or tea convenience. The idea would be to automatically start brewing a wonderful coffee or tea in your smart coffee or tea maker as soon as you push a button in the Home Assistant CarPlay dashboard. Alternatively, you might be even able to automatically send an order to your favorite coffee shop. This could be done via an API if they offer one, or if it's a smaller coffee shop, you might be able to arrange with them that you just automatically send a text message or email to them, including your order. Idea number 3, home security and efficiency. With a single push of a button in the CarPlay integration, you could automatically turn on your alarm system and lower the thermostat when you leave home. And upon your return, you could automatically turn on the alarm system and raise the temperature to a cozy temperature in your house again. Idea number 4, friction-free home care. Robot vacuum cleaners and robotic lawnmowers are awesome and they offer great convenience, but you don't want them to run while you're home. So, with a single push of a button in the CarPlay integration, you can automatically start your robotic lawnmower and your robot vacuum cleaner while you're gone. Idea number 5, check who's home. Have you ever wondered who's home when you're driving home? Well, the idea here would be that you just push a button in the CarPlay integration and then Home Assistant will send you a push notification back which tells you who is currently home. Of course, this requires person tracking or presence detection to be enabled in Home Assistant. Also, I'm quite sure this will only work if you send a critical notification, because otherwise CarPlay will not read it out. Okay, those were 5 automation ideas for Home Assistant's new Apple CarPlay or Android Auto integration. I hope you really liked it. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and also watch my other videos. Thank you!